Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your payment method was declined, update it or add a new payment method and try again. So if you have recently added a payment method in the App Store, manage payments, and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this tab. And after that, first of all, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after turning on the airplane mode, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn it off again. And you have to check now your Wi-Fi is working properly. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply click on that. And after clicking on general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to setting again, and this time you have to simply click on name or Apple ID. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases. So here you have to simply click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to simply wait for some time. And if you click on manage payments, then here you can simply find all of the payment methods. So what you have to do, you have to simply edit that payment method and you have to simply provide correct details to your payment method. If it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to simply remove that payment method and you have to try to add a new payment method or that existing payment method and try again. And this time you have to simply verify your payment method. And after that, you have to check your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can contact your card supplier or payment method you are connecting to. And after that, you have to simply ask for the solution from the card supplier. If the problem is still there, then you can also go for the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is again occurring, then you can also go for the Apple discussion and check whether how many iPhone users are having this problem, and you can ask for the solution from any of the iPhone user that how they solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.